I wanted to open my own practice to bring excellent medical and surgical care to the Lehigh Valley and elevate the standard of care that was already present here. Just to bring good, comforting compassion and care to animals has always been a part of me. Not only that I love animals, but I love helping them and I love healing animals. When I was 8 years old, I met a black lab named Harvey, and he was my inspiration for becoming a veterinarian. Harvey was a friend of a family dog, and he was very ill. The veterinarian took the time to describe to me the best option for Harvey on that day because of the type of illness that he had. And I knew from that moment on that with my love for animals, that I knew that I wanted to help heal animals and take care of them.
The reason I became a veterinarian was I had always great passion for animals. I loved knowing more about them, and I loved helping them.
I've always wanted to be a veterinarian since I was at least 5 years old. I always had my own dogs and cats, and I always loved animals. And as I got older and learned more about science, I loved science as well. Being a veterinarian allows me to put those two loves together and heal my patients.
I was inspired to become a nurse because of my love for animals. It's something that I've always had with me since I was young, and it just followed me until now.
Macungie Animal Hospital's philosophy is to provide the utmost quality and patient care. We want to make sure that when our clients come in, they have a very positive experience. We want them to know that we care about them and their pets as if they were our own family.
Our staff present at Macungie Animal Hospital functions as a team. We look at ourselves as professionals. We're also very compassionate.
I love how well we all work together to provide the best experience for our patients and their owners.
The best part to me about being a nurse at Macungie Animal Hospital would be my relationship with the clients and the patients. It is a different relationship than the doctors have with the client and patients. It's a little more intimate.
It's great to work with people and surround yourself with people that enjoy what they do and are good at what they do.
We were the first veterinary hospital in the Lehigh County to become accredited by the American Animal Hospital Association. It's a big distinction, and only 14% of all animal hospitals in the United States and Canada hold that distinction. We're very proud of ours. We're evaluated on over 900 standards of care that serve as the benchmarks for excellence in veterinary medicine.
In 2013, Macungie Animal Hospital was awarded the American Animal Hospital Association's Accredited Practice of the Year in North America. This is the association's highest distinction.
I wanted to offer advancements in medicine, new technologies, and alternative therapies as well.
Having acquired the surgical laser has been a tremendous benefit for us as surgeons. It allows us to perform different procedures with less pain, and we have noticed certainly a difference on how our patients respond and recover from these procedures.
The digital dental x-ray unit allows me to provide quality care to my patients because it allows me to see a whole other half of the tooth that before we weren't able to assess. I love dentistry because I love teeth, but I love that the difference that dentistry can make in my patients' lives. My favorite comment is when I see animals for a recheck 2-3 weeks later, their owners tell me that they are like a puppy or kitten again.
You did great.
The therapeutic laser is light therapy, so it pulses lights into the cells and the tissues of the body. What that does is it produces energy within those cells and causes them to do their job the way they're supposed to. In return, they take away inflammation and pain and promote healing.
Having the in-house lab and a fully stocked pharmacy helps me help the patients because we can find out, hopefully, what's wrong with them through the blood work faster and have the medication to start making them feel better.
We also have what's called the Sacred Star Pet Hospice program for our senior pets and those who are battling a terminal illness.
One of my goals was to have what's called Ginger's Rainbow Room. It provides a warm, caring, very comfortable atmosphere. People can spend the last moments with their pet or the time that they need to make really tough decisions in that room. And it was very important for me to provide that to families because they're making a really difficult decision.
When I was a client of Macungie Animal Hospital, I enjoyed coming to the practice. I really appreciated the level of care and the level of concern that was shown to not only my pets, but to myself as well, and really made me want to be part of the team. Being able to work with the front staff, being able to work with our nurses, and being able to work with our doctors has been such a privilege, and I'm honored that the community has allowed us to care for their pets.
I'm very proud of the community that has embraced us, because when we moved into Macungie, we didn't know how our neighbors would receive us, and the community has embraced us. We love giving back to them. We'll serve the community and the local schools, so it makes me very proud to be a part of this community.